Cycle ain't done yet, nigga. And I'm still under weather, but I'ma get y'all this fucking content because I am the king, bitch. You feel me? You feel me? I don't care. I don't care what the fuck they talking about. I don't care what the fuck they, yo. Tight. They talking about, you heard what I said. Man, that nigga be bullshit. Balenciaga boost. I got, what do you say? Hold on. Me. I love charger. Now we done. YouTube, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another POV ski. We over in Mount Zion delivering these packages for these folks. But I was like, why not? I'm bringing a new segment. Why not DoorDash? Come with me to DoorDash. You know what I'm saying? I delivered like a couple orders. But yeah, I'm just cruising right now. I don't know where I'm at. For real. I'm just driving around. So yeah, y'all gonna come with me. So let's do it. Bye. go apartment hunting for real, y'all. Oh, this is a nice little spot. I'm gonna just get out and show y'all this bitch. I feel like that was a smooth little, and then we got on that shit. You know what I'm saying? We got a stick on them. I only got the stick on that bitch because I'm gonna get a 360 cam eventually, but as of right now. Look kind of deserted over here though, y'all boys. I ain't gonna cap. I don't know. Then it kind of also seemed like it's hella fucking dogs and shit over here, so I don't know. What if I just start cutting down trees, like working for lumberjacks and shit? I don't know. Like, what am I doing? Just out. That bitch look good though. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. Just look at it. With that tire on the back. Damn, that tire on the back. That bitch sick. What y'all think? Gotta get a quick thumbnail with this. That shit look crazy. More on the way. We ain't even done yet. We just scratched the surface of that little shit. I'm still trying to think. Should I black it out or should I like make it blue or something? I don't know. Like this color blue, or like what? Y'all gotta let me know down in the comments though. What y'all think I should do to that little shit? Yeah. As of right now, I got on my diesel shoes, my running shoes, a Tony sweats, Under Armour tee, so I can see blinks on the head, whatever. I don't know. But yeah, I gotta cut this shit out. Cause I'm fucking 30, nigga. I'm 22. But yeah, that's that. Y'all see that shit on the back. Let me get a quick thumbnail real quick, and I'm gonna catch y'all boys in a sec.